Hey, Michael Monroe, and I'm the Director of Engineering of the Shelburne Hotel here in Dublin. I'm responsible for everything in the hotel, mechanical, electrical, the refurbishments which we've just completed recently. The pump house itself, it's basically a big container. It came pre-done with the pumps and the pipe work, so it just needed connecting then to what we had on the roof. With to block the road off, crane it in, sit it down, and very convenient, easy to be done. So by doing this, it just increased efficiencies. We do all the pumps now that we have are all variable speed drives. So along with the chillers, which are now more efficient, we've got more control with the pumps as well. They're all integrated. We have all the sensors on them, and all that's wired back now to the BMS. Before that, we just used to wait until you'd get a complaint somewhere, and then we'd to come running up to the roof, try and find out what was wrong. So instead of coming up 10 floors, we can look at everything down in the workshop. We can see any faults that come. We can control the temperatures. Overall, a lot more efficient. But to get everything finished from what it used to be like, it's just so good. We do fetch quite a few people up just to look at it now. You're not afraid to fetch them onto the roof anymore. But it's really good. Really proud of the pumps and the relationships we've had with Grundfos.